Hey LinkedIn, hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Lauren LaDell here with Motor City Spindle Repair. Obviously, Motor City Spindle Repair specializes in CNC spindle repair, but that's not all we do. It's our bread and butter, it's in our name, but we can help you with other things. And then one of those things is ball screw repair. So if you guys need a repair on a ball screw, or if you're just interested in having us reverse engineer and remanufacture new, that is also an option. All we need from you guys is your prints or just any information you can send us about those ball screws and we can get you over a quote ASAP. So reach out to any one of the members, me, Ryan, Amy, Ted, Brian, Tara, any of us can help you. Let's get you guys back up and running. The lead times out of Japan or other countries with NSK, THK, the two largest ball screw OEMs in the world, are extremely long, and ultimately that's creating just way too much downtime for you. So reach out to us, we'll get you taken care of, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a great rest of your day, you guys.